Check the outer crate for any damage or dents. Open the cardboard box lid. Make sure all items inside the box are present, including the roll film and accessory box. Lift the printer out of the box. Place it on a table. Check the printer roll film and accessory box. Check the equipment for any shipping damage. If you find any issues, contact after-sales support immediately for assistance. Inspection is required before filling ink. Check for any missing parts or accessories. If anything's missing, please contact the Procolored after-sales team. Ink will be shipped separately due to transportation restrictions. Please check all parts carefully. If any parts are missing, please contact us. Remove the warning labels and tags. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the screws, holding the ink carriage latches. Do not discard the removed L bracket. It may be needed for repackaging the machine in the future. Then remove the latches. Cut off the labels and remove them. Take out the roll film and read the introduction. Remove the packaging. Fix the roll film plug on the rod. Lock the roller at approximately this position. The arrow on the film should toward the printer. Insert the roller through the film. Fix the screws. Make sure the arrow on the film toward the printer. Unscrew the 4 screws to install the roll film bracket. Make sure you install it in correct direction, following the direction shown in the video. Secure the bracket with 2 screws. Repeat for the other side. Roll film bracket installed. Put the roll film on the bracket. The arrow on the film should toward the printer. Insert the film into the printer. Loosen the 2 screws on the front but do not remove them. Place the tray and cutter. Fit the loosened screws into the holes underneath the tray. Remove the tape on the cutter. Connect the data cable of the printer. Turn on the power. The K13 performs a self-check every time it is powered on.